Today, I'm going to make Dr. Fuhrman's high nutrient density green smoothie that I found on page 95 of Dr. Michael Greger's newest health book, How Not to Age, and I'll give you my honest opinion as to what I think of it. I'm going to start putting in the baby kale. I bought it in this box, and I'm never buying the box baby kale again because there's a good portion of it that was just slimy. It's really gross. I wanted to throw up. I did remove some of the stems. I am actually not a fan of green smoothies, so I'm really nervous about trying this. Homemade almond milk, which I diluted 50% with water per the recipe. And it says vanilla almond milk, so I'm just going to add the organic vanilla extract that is alcohol free, so it does not taste like alcohol. 1 banana and a bunch of blueberries. Oh, awesome, it fell right in here. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, which I think is really odd because blueberries and chocolate do not go together. And 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. Already ground up a bunch. All right, let's blend it together. That didn't grind up very well, did it? No surprise. Blueberries were pretty frozen, but you always want to put in frozen fruit when you're blending because you don't want to heat up the greens. So I'm going to use my tamper. Smells pretty good though. Let's see. All right, here's what it looks like. Doesn't look appetizing to me. Looks kind of weird. That grassy taste just does not disappear. Very bland tasting. The blueberry flavor is there, but it's muddled, like kind of like a muddy flavor. This does not taste good. I do taste the chocolate. Chocolate actually is a nice little, I would say, undertone. I'm still gonna eat it, but I definitely would make it again. It's not a total failure, but I would say this gets a D for flavor. It's just not good, but I won't waste it. I don't like wasting healthy food unless it's totally bad or if it makes me gag. So sorry, Dr. Fuhrman, I do not like this smoothie. So it has a whopping 429 calories, which I was kind of surprised. But a lot of protein, 14 grams of protein and 55 grams of net carbohydrates. So it's really not that high in carbs, and it does have 13 grams of fat, but it's good fat. So anyways, extremely healthy. And if you tried it, let me know what you think. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease like I did, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.